Yes, I'm not sleeping with you. Why would I sleep with you?
Sir, all you need to do right now is get your stuff and leave.
Yes, you want me to? I'm ready to go home. Let's go downstairs. No, I'm not trying to go downstairs.
Stop taking me to jail because I'm showing money in Vegas.
Let's go ahead and count this money.
When a citizen asserts taxpayer rights inside an international airport, where does individual liberty end and authority begin?
Yes, I'm not sleeping with you. Why would I sleep with you? Be real with yourself. I'm vibing right here. I'm just trying to understand where's my upcharge. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, what's going on? What's going on, sir?
I'm paying the upcharge for my flight because obviously I'm late.
Okay.
It's right here.
Okay, so why are you sleeping on the carousel?
I'm not sleeping on the carousel. Clearly. Do you see me sleeping on the carousel, man?
Well, we didn't see anything.
Okay, but you just said that I'm sleeping. Okay, but
I didn't say you were.
I'm just letting you know, though. I'm not sleeping on the carousel.
Okay,
clearly
so
the carousel is right there, and I'm not moving on it, right?
Okay, we passed this fact.
Do whatever you want to do. You can do whatever you want to do. I'm here with my personal flight, you know, on the carousel that I was assigned.
Was he prior trespass?
No.
Okay.
Exactly.
Do you want him trespass?
Yeah, we gotta do that.
Okay.
It's dangerous.
All right, you gotta grab all your stuff, sir, and you gotta head
I
out.
don't have anything. I'm clearly.
Well, is that your card on the ground?
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there on the ground.
Yeah, that definitely is my card.
Okay. All right. Well.
You want some after, right? Okay. It's a beautiful night.
Yeah, we're extremely busy.
I know.
We're extremely busy.
We got a medical right now.
No, we're extremely busy. Like
they
no
dispatch-
units left at all.
Dispatch our
You can
sergeant, and we
upset
had to
call all
cancel
you
our
want, but
sergeant and
listen,
step
though, I
calls
didn't
to the.
consume any
that's
crime.
all.
Did I consume a crime? Did I do something wrong?
I mean, you want us to talk to you or no?
No, I'm not.
Do you want the answer? Because my colleague was trying to talk and you're not even trying to listen to her.
No, I am listening.
Okay, so we can have a conversation as adults.
can.
Okay, all right. Go ahead with your question.
Can I talk? Or you shut me up?
Absolutely. I just told you go ahead.
This is what I'm asking you because you're sitting here telling me that shut the f up, right? I'm talking because I have a right. No, I'm just letting you know. I have a
Did
right.
anybody
To,
hear that?
Sir,
Okay.
what is your question?
I have a right to speak, right or wrong. That's my question. Do I have a right?
You know,
to
I
speak,
even
or
you
do I
can
not?
speak. I'm not listening.
I didn't. We didn't tell you you didn't. We're asking.
I'm just saying though because she spoke to me and you heard what she said.
I told you if we're gonna have a conversation like adults.
We're not doing this.
Ma'am,
I have my
we don't
camera
have to
on.
do it. We
I
do
have
not-
my-
and
sir?
I'm glad you do.
Sir?
I'm glad you do.
Sir, do you have a question?
I don't have a question.
Okay.
Do you have a statement to tell me?
If you want to listen.
I'm listening.
Okay, well, right now, here on Goa property, Goa is, even though it's open to the public, this is private property. As right now, you're a trespass. Okay?
Yeah.
When you're trespass, you got to get off the property.
Correct.
Okay?
Yeah.
Do you have any other questions?
You said I'm trespassing, right?
You
Okay.
trespass.
Where am I
You're gonna be
trespassing?
trespassing. You trespass
Where am I
warning.
trespassed at? Like,
All
can
Goa
you let me
All
know?
Goa property.
All Goa property, sir.
I'll go with property.
All Goa property. All of Orlando National
So me
Airport.
personally, me traveling here in International Airport of Atlanta.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I do have a
Okay, yeah.
ticket, and I will show you a ticket. Now, if I go crazy now, I'm gonna show her my ticket.
And
Listen,
you can go crazy all you
and I
want.
can. It's no issue, right?
You
and you
will
can call the
put your-
police and let me get up out of here because
The
I ain't
last
do
time I
nothing to
checked,
nobody.
the last time I checked, I don't know if you can read, sir.
I'm not being detained. The
We're-
last time
we're
you checked, I'm
police.
not being detained, right?
Okay. Are
Or
you?
You
wrong?
ain't even listening.
If you're listen.
I'm
okay,
gonna give
I'm
you my
make this
check.
very- I'm
Listen,
gonna make
please,
this very
please,
simple.
man, please don't talk to me. I'm gonna talk to her. I'm gonna give her
No.
whatever she.
No,
Oh,
you don't
God.
have that option.
Okay.
I'm gonna make it simple for you. You're down trespass from the airport.
You
You
damn
can
right.
leave.
I'm not gonna leave though because listen though, I'm not trespassing because what?
You
I-
are
Let me
trespassed.
have
Okay,
this.
I
Let
will
go
walk off
representative.
I will-
trespass.
Okay, then go.
Have it on camera.
Okay, please
Can you
go
please
now.
tell him that he's trespassed?
Sir,
Listen.
with due respect, we
All right, I'm
listen to you,
thinking-
and
okay,
you're now being trespassed
Listen.
from the airport and all this property.
I'm now being trespassed from the airport and all the properties, right? Okay, perfect. Show me the exit. All right. It's all right. Can you come with me? Come. Can you bring her right? Right? Because she's the one kicking me out. I put this on everything I love. Listen to me. I'm gonna walk out the door. No issue. I'm not tripping. Like I said, I'm a gambler. I gamble. I'm from Miami. So she's gonna kick me out of the door gambling for no reason, that's fine.
Who is this for? Who are you
I'm
trying
recording
to entertain?
I'm recording
entertain
everything
this
for every person sitting right here because at the end of the day, I'm from Miami.
Okay, so why are you making a scene? Who is this for?
Because I can leave with no issue.
Okay, well leave without an issue.
But she's not doing that. This is an issue.
Please go.
Listen, I'm a black human being from Miami. What happened? I pay my taxes, I pay everything. Look, like I said, walk right here, y'all can check me. I don't know. Because I don't have nothing on me. You understand? No, listen to what I'm telling you though. But listen to what I'm telling you though. Listen to what I'm saying. You can check me, you can do whatever you want. You can do this, that, the third. It's not illegal.
All I've asked you to do is leave.
And all I've asked you to do is search me.
No, just leave.
But you guys illegally want to do that though, right or wrong?
Just leave, sir. Just leave.
I'm not leaving because you know why? Because it's not illegal for me to be here.
Okay, let me
Right or
explain.
wrong?
Let me explain something to you. Okay.
You can explain it to me 100 times, but listen, I'm not dumb, I'm not stupid, I'm not.
I don't think
you can
you
explain
are.
my rights too as well.
Okay. If you're now trespassed from the property
And like I
and you
said-
refuse to leave, you're subject to arrest.
Arrest me.
We don't need to play this game with you,
Unfortunately,
sir.
I'm not playing any game with you. I'm a grown ass man. You're a grown ass woman.
And you're not even acting like it right now.
You're right. Of course, you can call it what you want. But like I said, though, I'm a grown ass man. You're a grown ass woman. I'm calling my rights. You're calling yours, right? Shit. If my rights is wrong, what I'm calling, go ahead, arrest me. Arrest me. Look, listen here.
Confused?
Arrest me.
Where are you confused on
On my
what your
rights, on
are?
behalf of me sitting here, knowing my rights. You know what I'm saying?
What are your
Go
rights?
ahead and arrest me. I
What
don't
are-
give a f. I don't give a f what you think my rights is. Arrest me.
I'm asking you, what do you
I
believe
don't
your
give a
rights?
f what you think my rights is. I know what my rights is. Arrest me.
Okay,
Simple as that.
we're gonna make it simple for you at this point. At this point, you've been trespassed from the premises, okay? And right now you're failing to leave, which is trespass after warning, which is an issue. We're gonna give you another chance.
Like I said, once again,
go.
I'm not a f idiot.
You
I'm
are
not-
free to go.
Once again, I'm not a
You are free to go.
If you want to continue
If you wanna go.
for something that I didn't been saying for, you can go ahead and do that. I'm not an idiot.
Do you know English? You
I'm not
are
dumb.
free to
yes,
go.
I know English. I know.
It don't seem
You think
like
I'm
it.
dumb? It may not seem like it because you want me to walk away and take your charge for whatever you charge me for, but I didn't do anything, right or wrong though.
I think we got off on the wrong foot.
That's fine. We could get off on the wrong foot. I don't give a about none of that. Listen, I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm a taxpaying citizen.
Okay, can we
Y'all boys
talk?
want to take me to jail? Take me to jail. I don't give a because at the end of the day, I'm coming right back here to get my shit because I didn't do nothing to nobody.
So we got carousel 28.
Do you, if he's not gonna leave, do you want to press charges?
Yeah, we will.
Alright, we're gonna get another one here because he's gonna be aggressive. So,
you know,
We're pretty sure that he's gonna be aggressive.
sir, all you need to do right
Yes, I
now
understand.
is get your stuff and leave.
yes, you want me to take an issue that I ain't have no issue with. You know what I'm saying? I didn't
we've
do nothing
explained
to
this
you. No,
to
you're not
you.
gonna give me a charge that I didn't have no issue with. You can give me a charge right now that I didn't do, and that's fine. Take me to jail.
I just
don't give a
explained to you.
I'm telling you right now. Listen, I'm telling you right now.
Do you need to
Listen, take me to jail right now. I promise to God ain't shit happening to
Can
me.
you take a seat?
I can. I can sit right here on the floor. Where you want me to sit?
Just right here, sir.
And then go to jail
We only have
afterwards?
2 units
Okay, and then
at
go to jail
carousel
afterwards?
28.
Because I would do whatever you tell me to do. I'm my dead granny. You could kill me right here on the floor.
Just take
I'm
a
gonna make
seat.
sure you feel that shit.
Take a seat.
Come on, man.
Can you take a
Tell
seat,
you,
please?
man. Nah, you can't. Come sit me. Come seat me. Fuck, come on, man.
Yep.
Nah. Yeah, so I'm bothering. I'm bothering, so you're not gonna tell me nothing, so that's crazy, homie. Nah. Cause let I would have been a blunt, homie. Let me walk through no pressure. Nah, we sitting here and we gonna figure it out, cause I'm black. But you know what I'm saying? I don't give a f, dude, cause guess what? This black got money, just like you know what I'm saying?
So I'm gonna tell you one more time.
You can take me to
because
jail.
you're trespass.
I'm not trespassing. Where you want
You're
me to
free to
All right,
go.
where you want me to go?
You can go. You gotta get off or go.
All right, where you want me to go? I don't care.
just leave.
You tell me where you want me to go. I have a go card. I have a silver card. I don't even want to tell them what the issue is because you guys are.
Do you want a bus pass? Would that help
I
you
don't
leave?
know, bro. I don't. You could give me a bus pass. You give me a free card. You give me you give me whatever you want.
Okay.
I would leave your property without a problem.
Okay.
I don't care
How
about
about
your
you call
fucking
yourself?
property.
Call me.
Come on. If
you
I was
call
to
your-
rob this property right now, you guys would have these police arresting me. Yeah, okay. You guys are robbing me, but it's okay because
Okay.
you guys are robbing me. I don't give None of
So
that.
are you going to refuse to
I'm
leave?
chilling. I'm not refusing anything.
Okay. Then
My
I need you to
ride's
leave.
outside. Yeah, I'm
I need you to
gonna leave.
leave.
I'm definitely leaving. Of course. Of course I'm gonna leave a casino.
Look, your card is there.
You left your card.
Dumbass.
Look, your card is here.
Yeah, okay. I'm about to take a photo right now. I'm coming back with my card. Relax. I'm taking a photo. Nigga tripping.
How do you get here?
He don't want to speak.
He won't talk to us.
That's how he's been the whole
He's been
time.
like this all.
All right, well,
At this point, we didn't want to put the cuffs on and do that because he's been aggressive. So we wanted somebody else here before we put him in cuffs.
all right, let's go take care of business now.
All right.
Dumbass. Like,
Listen,
yes, I was upset.
listen,
Right
hey.
now. I don't have no issue.
This is your last chance.
You can kick me out. I don't care. It's my last chance for what?
money? You want to take a taxi downstairs?
Bro, I'm ready to go home.
Let's go downstairs in a
No,
taxi.
I'm not trying to go downstairs. You guys are trying to kill me. You guys are trying to kill me. I'm not safe here. Nah, no. I'm talking about.
Or do you want to go to jail?
I'm chilling. You can take me to jail if you want to. I'm here. I'm chilling. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Put your money away.
All right, cool. I'm not putting no money away.
Put your money away.
No, I'm not.
Listen, what's your name anyway? Listen.
My name's Scott. You want to take me to jail?
Listen.
Scott's taking me to jail because I'm showing money in Vegas.
Listen.
Bro, you
Put
can
your
take me to
money
jail.
away, okay?
Scott, take me to jail,
Let's
Scott.
go downstairs and take a taxi.
I'm not.
Then put your money away because you're gonna
I'm
get arrested.
not. All right.
Put it away.
I put it on everything, bro. Listen, Scott. That's your name, right? Your name's Scott? What's your name, boss?
You don't want to just leave.
What's
right?
your name, boss? Listen,
It's
I'm
up to
not.
you guys if you want to do it. Okay.
Help! I'm being arrested for no reason. You're taking my money for no reason.
I got it. Let's go ahead and count the money.
This encounter presents a critical constitutional question regarding property rights, public access, and law enforcement power. Does public funding grant a citizen an unconditional right to remain on government property despite an order to leave? Under Florida statutes, section 810.9, trespass on property other than a structure occurs when clear notice is given. The statutory elements require two conditions: explicit notice against remaining by an authorized person, followed by refusal to depart. Once authorization is revoked, remaining on site converts a lawful presence into a first-degree misdemeanor under state law. Citizens often confuse public ownership of aviation facilities with unrestricted First Amendment forum protections. In International Society for Krishna Consciousness versus Lee, the Supreme Court ruled that airport terminals are non-public forums. As a non-public forum, airport grounds are subject to reasonable, viewpoint-neutral restrictions to maintain safety and operation. Law enforcement officers operating on scene-hold delegated statutory authority from property management to issue binding trespass warnings. Under Fourth Amendment precedent, probable cause for a warrantless misdemeanor arrest attaches upon witnessing failure to comply. The legal threshold does not require proof of an independent criminal offense prior to issuing a binding trespass order. Under Graham versus Connor, objective reasonableness governs physical seizures, evaluated from the perspective of an officer on scene. From a practical legal perspective, citizens must distinguish between expressive public forums and heavily regulated facilities. Challenging an unlawful trespass warning must occur through formal administrative or judicial appeals rather than on scene to refusal. Refusing a direct statutory order transforms a civil property disagreement into an enforceable criminal arrest record. For officers, establishing unambiguous statutory notice and offering voluntary departure paths are critical to withstand legal challenge. Thorough documentation of property delegation ensures that probable cause remains solid during pre-trial defense motions. As this situation highlights, significant legal debate remains regarding the balance of power in public transit hubs. Did the responding officers provide adequate opportunity for compliance, or was the decision to arrest premature? Where should the legal system draw the line between public property access and administrative control? Analyze the facts presented and share your legal perspective in the comments section below.